Cooking vegetable is an art. When somebody comes as an apprentice to my kitchen, I don't tell them to cook non-vegetarian food. I tell them to cook vegetarian food because to get the flavor in a vegetarian dish or a vegetable which is very neutral, to infuse a taste into that vegetable is an art. It's not that easy. My name is Chalapathi Rao. Simply South basically serves authentic South Indian food from the 5 southern states. Vegetable eating tradition has always been there and still it is prevalent a lot in Indian cuisine per se. It completes the entire meal per se. That's the way our cuisine moves forward. Today, another mixed vegetable I'm showing, which is from Hyderabad. It's called Nizami Tarkari. In a pan, we have taken clarified butter. To that, we added the tomato puree or the sauce. Basically, you blanch the tomatoes, remove the skin, blend it, stain it. That tomato sauce we have taken, and to that we have added a chopped onion tomato masala. This is the tomato puree. This is the chopped onion and tomato. You can see the rough chop of onion and tomatoes cooked together with a dash of turmeric and chili powder. So in the tomato sauce, we did add some cashew paste while making tomato sauce to give that texture to the sauce. I am adding blanched chopped spinach. Blanched and kept. The assortment of vegetables can vary from person to person. Choice of the vegetable is theirs. Some diamond cut vegetables of carrot and fresh beans. We add little fresh cream to it to give richness to the entire gravy. This single cream, it's not double cream. It's just that where the fat content is less than 30%. The color is subtle now, and to this adjust the seasoning. The final ingredient to finish the dish, dried fenugreek, or we call it kasuri methi. Now Nizami Tarkari is ready. Time to plate.